Hi, first graders. So today you're going to get back your symmetrical collage that you started last class. Now, you might not have as many shapes as I have glued down, and that's totally okay. Today we're going to get a tray of small shapes, and you might even get a tray of some bigger shapes too if you didn't get to finish that. So I'll have that available for you. If you still have a lot of empty space, then you're going to want to start with your big shapes. Now, I have a lot of big shapes, so I think I'm ready to start with my small shapes. Now, I might want to start with some medium ones instead of going right to my itty bitty ones and start laying a few things out. You always want to work in pairs because you might love a shape and then you can't find it in the same one. So I am going to start laying some things out, seeing if I like how it looks. Now remember, when we make a symmetrical design, some shapes that are a little bit tricky sometimes are the triangles. So let's say I was going to use these triangles. Now they're the same shape. Well, actually, they're not the same. These are the same. Now if I put it like this, and then I put this like this, is that symmetrical? They're both the same shape on both sides. No, because if I fold it on top, this will actually go like that. So if I want it to be symmetrical, I actually have to flip it over because it's the mirror image. Now it's symmetrical. And then I want to make sure, let's say I was going to do that here, because I kind of like how that looked. I have to overlap it just enough that it fits. So when we're gluing things on, you might have it symmetrical, but then if you glue it crooked, it's not going to look symmetrical anymore. So I'm just going to arrange some shapes. Now that I laid out and I overlapped a lot of my smaller shapes, I even added some shapes in the middle so it doesn't just look like two sides. I wanted it to look like one artwork, so I added some shapes in the middle. Then I can glue down. Now we will have some circles today, but please don't take too many. I would say limit yourself to 2 sets of circles and that's it. You don't have to use any circles, but I don't want you taking more than that because there won't be enough for other people to use. So now I'm gonna start gluing. Remember, when we glue, we take our shape, we bring it over to the glue, wipe, 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 dot, 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 and then make sure that when we're putting it down, that when we glue the next pair to that shape, that it's an even space away from the top and from the shape. So now I'm gonna glue everything down.